Welcome to this episode of Tech Talk with Tom Griffin. I am Tom Griffin. At Tech Talk, we introduce engineers to technology trends, news, and product reviews. Today's product review is CTS's VCXOs. CTS is an industry leader in the design and manufacturing of high-performance crystal oscillator products. The CTS engineered frequency control products provide timing and synchronization solutions for applications such as wireless infrastructure, synchronous Ethernet, optical networking, mil-aero, and test and measurement, to name a few. CTS offers the highest frequency, lowest jitter, and lowest power consumption products available today. Their highest frequency VCXOs highlight unique design techniques, producing the best jitter performance on the market, even at frequencies greater than 1 GHz. One feature of the CTS VCXO is providing low phase noise with a high frequency fundamental design. This provides an excellent phase jitter performance of up to 22 femtoseconds with standard output types of HCMOS, LVP-ECL, and LVDS. Other features include frequency compensation through a voltage control pin, wide pull range, tight linearity, and a temperature range from -55 to 125 C. To learn more about CTS's VCXOs or other CTS products, contact your local Catalyst salesperson or visit our website at catalyst-sales.com. Thank you for watching this episode of Tech Talk with Tom Griffin. See you next time.